Okay, so let's start with the signals tab over here. The signals tab shows us the Bitcoin uptake at different price levels. Now let's try and understand how it works. So, we have a signal here at 1102. We see 2019 Bitcoins at 7037. So let's see. So that's 1102, 7037. This is the uptake point right here. Also here. But we won't see it because this data happened at 10 exchange markets simultaneously. And the system measured high support, which led to this further movement upwards. So the signals are different. Some are high, others are low, and there's also average mode here. It shows us the large signals, it counts. So basically, we want to know about signals that start from 1,000. So 7193, for example. That's 2 o'clock in the morning. 2,000 Bitcoins. And so after that, we went down up until the next point, 7069 at 3:11 a.m. We could see it right here on the graph. This tail here is our stops, and then it bounces up the next major signal. That's 425.71.19. So this whole system bounces back and forth from signal to signal. Now, talking about the major signals, if, for instance, we had dynamics go up. By the way, support signals will always go up and will be below resistances. And the new resistances will always be above the new supports. But as soon as we get like 7047, for example, a rather strong support. So if we get a lower resistance at the next signal, right about here, let's say, that would mean that a trend has changed and will go down from that point. And when we go down, we work according to resistances. And as we go up, we work from the major supports. Those are the main points for us. Also, if we have a look at this tab and we turn off the average mode, we can find some interesting points. Like this one here, for example. I took a print screen of that yesterday, actually. So let's see what happened. So when I came to this point, a lot of minor resistances started to happen in a row. Every other minute or something like that. 70, 55, 67, 78, 70, 98. And the last one we got was 70, 75. It was lower than the previous one. So 98 here and then 75. So this dynamic tells us that it's going to bounce back. And so we either stay here for a few hours or we get a nice bounce back. Which actually happened, and I got a print screen of that. Alright, And also here we have the sort mode. That is to move the signals to the graph in a more convenient manner. So we only take the major signals from 1,000, and we can also sort them by price, like so.